Hello parents and students. Welcome to McKinley Middle's virtual open house. I'm so glad you can join us today. My name is Miss Gallia, and I'll be your child's 6th grade ELA teacher. While these circumstances may not be normal for any of us, a virtual open house gives you the time you need to explore each teacher's information, ask questions, sign up for technology, all at your fingertips. So sit back, relax, play around, and learn all about my class. Here are the topics we'll be going over today. Feel free to click around on your own to look more closely at something. You'll learn how to stay in touch with me, download the school app, look at our weekly schedule, review video chat expectations, learn about technology we'll be using in the classroom, if there are any chances to make up late work or work on bonus opportunities, and how to stay connected. You can stay up to date with everything ELA and get your questions answered with just a few simple tools. You can always email me at rlloyd@ebrschools.org. You can text or call me at 225-364-9041. You can look for class announcements on the McKinley Middle app or visit my class website. Now let's take a moment to download our school app together. You can scan this QR code with your phone for quick and easy access. You can also look for it on the App Store or Google Play. Just search for McKinley Middle Magnet School. Once you've downloaded the app, open it up and click the menu button or the 3 lines at the top left corner to display the shown options. Then click Directory. Now you'll be able to see a list of teachers at our school. You'll need to click on 6th grade, then scroll down to find my name, Rachel Gallia. Now if you look at the bottom right corner of the screen, you'll see a bell. Click on that to choose which hour's notifications you'll get from me. Take a quick look at your schedule and verify which hour your child takes me for ELA. Be sure to only sign up for that class, as there will be different messages for different classes. Now you'll get all of my announcements sent straight to your phone. Don't forget to allow notifications from the app to stay updated with everything happening in our class. I know that being home may make learning more difficult. I also understand that other siblings may need to use the computer, there may be internet issues, and some students may simply have trouble focusing. I also don't believe in children sitting in front of a screen for 7 hours every day. With that being said, we will meet in 3 different ways this year. On Tuesday and Thursday, we will have whole class Google meetings. On Monday and Wednesday, we will have small group conferences consisting of 3 to 5 students per group. Your child will know their small group conference dates ahead of time by looking at Google Classroom. Finally, on Friday, students will have time to work independently on their ELA assignments, and I will be available to meet one-on-one or answer any questions they may have. Go ahead and take the time to write down the whole class meetings written in red in your student planner so you don't forget. If you happen to be absent that day, every lesson will be recorded and uploaded to our class YouTube page. However, keep in mind that attendance will be taken every day in the form of a small classwork assignment or participation, so make sure you attend as often as you can. Here are my whole class meetings or video chat expectations. Be sure to review these expectations as needed before every session. First things first, always come prepared. This means that you are on time, you are in a quiet learning place, and you have your materials ready. Next, you'll need to keep your camera on and keep it still so no one is distracted by your movements. Check your surroundings and please dress appropriately. You don't need to wear your school uniforms, but please don't come in your pajamas. When I'm speaking, make sure you stay on mute. If you have a question about the topic we're discussing, please raise your hand. You can also use the chat feature as well. Participation will play a big part in your success this year. Always come focused, pay attention, and be active in our discussions. I can't stress this next one enough. Be respectful. This includes your words, actions, and the work you share. Remember the golden rule. If you don't want it said to you, don't say it to someone else. Finally, use signals so we can communicate more quickly and effectively. A thumbs up means okay or yes. Thumbs down means no. A raised hand or a question mark in the chat means you have a question, and the exclamation point in chat means you have a comment. Now let's take a tour of some of the technology resources available to you this year. We'll have lots of different interactive sites and lessons, but I just want to quickly show you the main things you need to know as a parent. This is what my class website looks like. You can access my website by visiting the McKinley Middle website and looking under Faculty. Above the welcome message, you will now see a spot for this open house video along with these slides for you to go through at your own pace. On our class website, you will be able to access the virtual classroom. I'll give you more info on that in just a moment. Access Google Classroom and the codes to join, your parent portal, course information about each unit that we will be studying and how you can help at home, an About Me page, class announcements with the app, a due date calendar, COVID-19 district updates, the school schedule, and my contact information. Now you're about to see our virtual classroom. I am so excited to share it with you. Everything your child will need can be accessed through here. It can be found by clicking on the welcome button on the front page of my website. Here you can access information to types of writing and genres, visit our class YouTube page for lessons and tutorials, Google Classroom to check assignments, request an assignment extension, visit our Calming Corner, pick a bonus assignment, visit the parent portal, read popular books, audiobooks, or read-alouds, and access the school library page. I've also included a few different fun links as a little surprise. This classroom will be updated every unit or as needed. This is what your parent portal looks like for me. Let's go over these in detail so you will know how to help your child at home. The Student Progress Center is where you can check your child's grades for all of their classes. You can see any notes that a teacher has made for an assignment, or if your child has any missing work. My biggest tip is whenever you see a 0% F, please ask your child about the assignment and check Google Classroom to see if that assignment had been turned in. Let me know if you think there has been a mistake. I have 110 students this year, so mistakes may happen on occasion. Google Classroom will be our next major online platform. All of your child's assignments will be posted through Google Classroom. I will be organizing our learning week by week and posting assignments daily. Please make sure that you take note of the due dates and keep up to date with the work that is assigned. If you're unfamiliar with Google Classroom, or if you need a refresher, I've included a quick video tutorial for parents on how to use it. Take a moment to pause this video, visit my website, and find your child's hours Google Classroom code. Go ahead and join so you can have that access to that information now. Just an FYI, if you want to see everything that I post, please save your child's student login information on your own device. Unfortunately, the parent's access to Google Classroom is only updated weekly. It's much easier for you to simply see what your child sees and use their own student login. This is an example of our class calendar. It will be updated with due dates, important dates, tests, and other information. This can be found on my class website or the parent portal. Please make sure your child's student planner matches the class calendar for every week and for major assignments and assessments. Sometimes we all feel a little behind schedule. We can feel overwhelmed, we get sick, or something unexpected happens. In these cases, please fill out an assignment extension request. These requests must be filled out by 3:00 p.m. on the original date the assignment is due. You can find these requests by clicking on Me in the virtual classroom. Just because you fill one out does not mean that it will be approved. Please keep a lookout on Google Classroom for updates on your request. If you forget to request an assignment extension, or if you simply don't do as well on an assignment as you thought you did, I do offer plenty of bonus opportunities. Visit the bonus room in the virtual classroom or visit the parent portal for more information on what to do and how to turn in these assignments. Keep in mind that I will no longer accept bonus work or make up assignments the week that grades are due, so it's your responsibility to keep checking your grades throughout the school year. Raising a child takes a village, and there are several ways to stay connected and active in our school community. Our website is updated often with cool stuff our students and teachers are doing. You can follow us on Facebook, join our parent group on Facebook to connect and ask questions amongst other parents, become a PTO member, donate to my classroom wish list, or even donate to my GoFundMe. Click any of these links to learn more. Please note that these plans are a work in progress and can be updated based on what students need from me. Any major changes will always be communicated through the school app. Now that you've gotten a bulk of information, take some time to further explore my technology, such as my class website or virtual classroom, join Google Classroom, and sign up for the app if you have not already. If you still have questions, please complete the ELA question form linked on this slide and in the virtual hallway. I will be sure to get back with you before school begins.